Make Time Count is the self-service app we are designing to help service users communicate more easily with their offender managers and keep on top of their appointments, activities and programs. Gathering feedback from frontline staff through shadowing, office visits and interviews, we have learned it's often the case that service users don't understand what their sentence plan is, don't know where the community payback project is, or don't remember when their next appointment is with their offender manager. Service users have reported that when they are looking for assistance with accommodation, for example, they don't have the right number or contact available to them. Also, when offender managers are on leave, service users can easily get off track on their progression with their sentence plan and have no idea who their interim offender manager is. To solve these problems, the Make Time Count app will provide 4 key functions in the first wave of development. Here is what service users will experience while using the app. To begin using the app, service users will first receive their login details from their offender manager. If the service user forgets the login details, they can simply click the button below to reset their login. Once the service user is logged in, the first thing they see is notifications on upcoming appointments, programs, and activities. The service user can also check whether there are any unread messages from their offender manager. This function helps service users mark as important events in their calendar. By selecting each item, the service user can see details of the event, such as the what, when, and where. What's more, service users can also see comments from their offender manager on why they are recommending them to attend an event. If a service user happens to have urgent work or family emergency to take care of, they can request to reschedule an event 48 hours before it begins. The next function is the calendar, which provides service users with monthly, weekly, and daily views of their upcoming events. Again, this is to help service users organize their schedules better. The activity types are highlighted in different colors, and activities entered by the service user themselves, for example doctor's appointments, are marked as type Others. The chat function will be just like WhatsApp, so service users can chat to their offender manager. For situations where an offender manager is off sick or on leave, service users can see who their interim offender manager is and chat with them directly also. Service users can also have audio or video calls with their offender manager. For scenarios where the service user needs to provide evidence to explain non-attendance at certain events, a photo of documentation can easily be taken and shared with their offender manager. We will now look at some general functionality of the app. In My Information, the service user can enter their details or reset their password. The How to Use Apps section is a how-to guide where service users can watch videos to guide them on using the Making Time Count app. The Contacts section is where service users can find relevant contacts. For example, if a service user needs accommodation support, they can find the relevant contact details here. Finally, a very important function is the Check-in section. Check-in is used by a service user to prove they attended an appointment or activity on time. The app uses both the camera and GPS for verification. For example, a service user arrives at Dulwich Park for a community payback project. They select Check-in on the app, take a picture of themselves and submit to their offender manager. Once the check-in details are submitted, a record will be stored in the system, which allows a service user to keep track of their progress. The app is expected to launch in 2019 in both Android and iOS app stores. Should you have any questions, feedback or suggestions, please contact us and let us know. Thank you.